Good morning, Tiger Nation. It's Sunday morning, December the 9th, and we'll go over the week of December the 10th and everything that's going on at the high school. We did have a great week last week. I know Mother Nature snuck in there one more time and caused us to have a snow day on Wednesday, just to kind of keep everybody informed about snow days and our new NTI, which is non-traditional instructional days, aka snow days, how those will work. We have one more school day remaining that we can miss without using an NTI day. On the second day that we miss, we will start using our NTI days. We have 10 of those to use. All students were informed about those on Thursday and Friday of our last school week. Students were handed a packet if they did not have internet access at home. There is a link on our school website that'll have NTI snow days there, and that has all of our assignments located in that location. Also, there's a spot on our district website where students can also go to log on and pull out their schoolwork on there. Also, a lot of students will have a Google Classroom. That information has been given out by their teachers. That'll help them access their schoolwork so that they can make it up while they're out on a snow day. These snow days will help us. They will count as a school day. So it is a nice program to have. This is our first year of it, so I'm sure there's going to be some things that we're going to have to go back and redo and work on and fix. So please, be patient with us, communicate with us, and help us give this. We want to give our kids the best education possible. And to do this outside of a school day is challenging. So that's why we made it really focused on that, to try to make sure our kids are getting a good education while they're sitting at home. Our teachers will be on call on those days. They'll be available from 7 o'clock to 3 o'clock via email or Google Classroom or Remind. You can also call the school if you'd like to see if they're in their office that day. So this is going to be a work in progress, but we're all going to do it together. So be patient with us as we try to make the best for our kids. I'd like to congratulate both our boys and girls basketball teams. They've gotten off to great starts. Our boys basketball team lost one last week to Owensville Catholic on Monday, but beat Hancock County on Friday night. They now moved to 3-1 on the season. This week the boys have two ball games. One on Tuesday night, the December 11th. That'll be at Whitesville Trinity, and then they play again on Friday night as they will travel to district rival Meade County. And that's on Friday night, December the 14th. Our girls basketball team also with a great start. They won both their games last week as they beat North Hardin and they beat Hancock County. Our girls are now 5-1 on the season. So congratulations to them on a great start. This week they will be at Whitesville Trinity on Tuesday night, and then they will be at Meade County on Friday night. Both those games are boy-girl doubleheaders. So come out to both those games and let's support our Lady Tigers and Fighting Tigers. Also this week, our boys freshman and JV basketball team will be in action on Monday night as they will host Central Hardin at the high school. On Wednesday night, December the 12th, our girls JV and our boys freshman and JV teams will host Meade County at the high school. Would also like to wish our archery team good luck this week as they will be hosting their second annual archery tournament. That's going to be Friday night into Saturday, December the 15th, 14th, and 15th. So good luck to them. Also, good luck to our dance team as they will be traveling to Frederick Douglass High School in Lexington to compete in the KHSAA State Dance Tournament. So good luck to them. Also need to wish our band good luck. They will be having their annual chili supper and Christmas concert. That's on Tuesday night, December the 11th. Dinner will be at 5:30 and the concert will start at 7. And then our Christmas concert will be on Sunday, December 16th. And that'll be from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the Breckinridge County High School auditorium. So good luck to them. And that concludes our week that's coming up for December the 10th. I will also say that finals will be on December the 18th and 19th. That's a Tuesday and Wednesday. It's 2 last days of school for our students. Please start preparing for our finals now. That is a cumulative test from the first day of school to the end of the semester. So be sure, we talk to our students, and students, if you're listening to this, be sure you're out there preparing for that. It's a very important exam that you're taking there. There will be exemptions available this week. We'll have a table set up during lunch. You can sign up for exemptions for your finals if you qualify. So please be sure you take care of that and do that. And that concludes this week's announcements. I'd like to just wish everybody out there to work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.